Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I'm going to show you some small haulage stuff for my craft fair that's going to be in November. And I'm going to be begging for help. Some of my crafty friends, I need you guys' ideas, any type of suggestions. I'm going to need that from you guys, okay? But let's get right into the haul portion of this. Some of this stuff I already had. Excuse me. Allergies are kicking up. And some of these things I did purchase, but, well, all of them I purchased, but not lately. Like, for instance, these things right here. I've had these for several months. And I'm going to be altering these little mini composition books. At least I'm going to be attempting to alter them for the craft fair. And whatever, hopefully I can come up with something really cute for these, and I will be putting these up for $1 each. I saw Roxy Fur alter these things. I purchased 5 of these, and that'll be all that I purchased. I'm not going to be overdoing, at least I hope not. And what she did was she created some for recipes and like one for projects. And the ones that I'm going to do is going to be for projects like YouTube tutorials and stuff like that. I'm going to try to do it that way. So I have 5 of these total. I purchased some of these things, and I don't think these are large enough, and that's my AC, by the way. But I'm going to see how this is going to work out. I purchased them to go with these things. These are the 5x7 picture frame, acrylic picture frames. And I had seen pictures and videos of people who use post-it notes and like put them on one side and then decorate it like a post-it note holder. So if I'm able to do that, then these will go for $5 a piece. And I'm not going to do that many. I got 3 of these 5x7s, and I think I have maybe 5 6x4 or 4x6s. So it won't be that many of those either. I already had these 2 notebook looking things right here, and I saw Roxy Fur. She showed how she altered these and to sell them at the craft fair. So if I could do that, I'm going to do just these 2. I'm not buying any more of those. And the bigger ones, the bigger post-it notes, she did a couple of those as well. Let me see, I got one right here, like this one right here, and she made it look like a purse. So I'm going to do a couple of these. It won't be that many. Like I said, I have 2 right now, and the most I'll do of these will be 5. Okay, and these I've had a while because I started out practicing creating TNs with these books right here, these 4x6s, and I prefer the 5x7s. Is it 5x7? Yeah, the 5x7s. So I have 5 of these left. So I'm going to alter these and make notebooks. I'm going to have more notebooks, altered notebooks at my station than anything else. And I don't mind. Hopefully the people will like them and will get them. And those will probably be, if the little bitty ones would be a $1, those would probably be $2. And the other ones I'm going to tell you about will be $3. And this is the one I'm talking about right now. I was able to find these notebooks at Dollar Tree, and these are the student planners, and they start at, I think, the last day of December 2018. Excuse me. And this is throughout 2019 at least, yeah, for the year. And this has it as a weekly view, and there are no like months at a glance in here. So if I could find this with a month, with the monthly view, I'll get it. But if not, I'll just stick to this. And what I will do is, like this particular TN, I will take one of the signatures out. Like I'll take this, maybe this first one out, or pick the ones that I like the best and leave those in and take the other one out, but cover this thing with matching paper and make it the first signature, and then take the signature that was in here and just package it separately and sell it for like $3. So that's the plan for that. And I still have a few more TNs to make. Maybe 5 and 6 tops, I think. But I just need to get those done. So I'll be done with all the TNs. I saw Roxy Fur again do these. And this is the dollar photo book at Dollar Tree. And she made recipe books out of them. And I haven't finished with these yet. I got the cards in and I got the paper. And what I need to do is put some ribbon between, there, and tie it there. And actually put some shaker bits in here and use my fuse tool and seal it. Because that's what she did, and I thought it was the cutest thing. So I have 2, maybe 3 of these that I will do, and if I get those done, I will sell those for like $5 a piece. And I got this one right here that I put the paper in already. I haven't put the recipe cards themselves in, and that's where this thing come in at. I searched high and low around my town for this Row Bunny recipe card stamp. I even looked online for some other ones, and I wasn't real thrilled or real pleased with them. So I had to order this off eBay. I can't remember how much it was. It was either eBay or Amazon. That's the place where I buy everything. And I actually like this. So what I'm going to do is stamp some recipe cards and not just put, what are those things? I can't even think of those other cards. I'm not just going to put those in. I'm going to stamp some and put them in, and maybe put a little Christmas themed sticker on the ones, because I think that's how Roxy did it. So I may do 2 Christmas themed, or like this is like an autumn theme, a Christmas theme, and I think I got one that's coffee themed, and it'll only be those 3 at the most 5, but I won't be doing a whole lot of those. And this thing right here too, guys were hauling these and I could not find it, so I had to order it. What I would like to do with this too is to just cut out some gift card holders and maybe go to places like, who's that, Starbucks, because they just have them sitting out, and just get some Starbucks gift cards and put inside, and they won't have anything on them. It'll be just as a placeholder, but they can keep them because you can just go to Starbucks and get them anyway, and maybe sell them for like $1. And that'll be the gift card holder. The gift card itself, I have to make the distinction that I'm not selling the gift card itself. That's free, you can have that, but I'm just selling the gift card holder. And I purchased these things. These are the little mini cups that I have been loving since last year, so that's the first time I saw them. And I got those from this young lady here on Etsy. I don't know if this is going to focus or not, but this is her information. I picked these up from Etsy, and they were very reasonably priced. I've done one, and I'm going to use these to put the Keurig coffee pods in, so that I can not only have the Keurig coffee, the hot chocolate, and I'm going to do tea as well. And again, it won't be that many, maybe 20 bags of tea. Not a lot. Like I said, it's been about 15-20 years since I did a craft fair, and the last time I did a craft fair, I sold absolutely nothing, not one thing. So maybe that's the reason why I hadn't been to a craft fair in ages. But This is another thing I'm gonna be making. I had my granddaughter help me with a bunch of these. This is one of my markups that I was just playing with, and he's all dirty and stuff, but I kept him because I liked him. And I'm gonna do some pink ones with the Dunkin' Donuts emblem. I'm gonna do some green ones with the Starbucks emblem, and I may do a few that's just generic, and I may actually keep a couple of tops and emblems just in case if people want a Starbucks one and I don't have anymore, or a Dunkin' Donuts one and I don't have anymore. I have those and I can just glue them on right then with the paper clip, or I don't know. I'm thinking about it. We shall see. And I did get my, ta-da! I got my square device so that at the craft fair I can take debit cards or credit cards, and I do have cash out on my phone where I have a cash out account, and I do still have PayPal, and I got the PayPal swipe thing somewhere. I've never used it, but I know I do have it. I'm gonna look for it. If I can't find it, I'm gonna see if I can't get one just in case I need it. And last but certainly not least is this thing. I'm trying so hard to figure out how to decorate this so this will be very Christmassy, very festive, and this is where I'm going to need y'all ladies' help. I've seen one young lady on YouTube. She called it a party in a cup, but it was a white cup, and she used vinyl and wrote the word yum and put different colored dots, and it was so cute. And my personal thing is I like this glass mug, and I got these things right here from Dollar Tree, $1 a pack. What is this? Chocolate lovers cake. Okay, I thought I was gonna say chocolate lovers cake, and it's one little cake, whatever, and put it in here. And I was thinking of either using a mug like this or packaging them with maybe cupcakes on each side and maybe a little box in the middle, maybe with a handle, and put this in. And if I sell them like this, they would have to be like $6 or 2 for $5. And without the mug, with the other little paperweight, I would do $3 each, or 2 for $5. No, I'm sorry, 2 for $10 with the mug, 2 for $5 without the mug, something along that line. So that's what I need y'all help on. That, and give me some ideas on how I could decorate this. Or do you think I need to go with a smaller mug and put like some balloons in there and paper stuff that would go for a party? Alright, that's my haulage and shares and me begging for help for this evening. Guys, help me out if you can, please. I'm gonna need it. And I know my craft fair isn't until November, but I want to go ahead on and get this stuff done and out of the way so I won't be stressing at the last minute. And any and all help that you guys can give me, suggestions, whatever, would be truly appreciated. I promise you. Okay, guys, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I see you guys in my next video. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I think it ought to be about right there. Alright, guys, have a good night. Bye-bye, love bugs.